Hey everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it you will decide to become a part of the Gem Squad family by hitting that subscribe button and turning on your notification bell. Every one of you of my subscribers is a gem, so thank you so much for being here. Just wanted to make a quick announcement. If you recently joined the Gem Squad, the actual membership, not when you're subscribed, you're a member of my channel, but there's a membership where I give added perks, and I've sent out a few bracelets. Let me know if you've got them. Put that down in the comments below. I'm super excited to send them out to you. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about my closet video. I last year got the bright idea and said, you know what, I got to clean out my closet. My closet is way too small. My house is an older house. It was built in the 50s. So I don't even know how they lived back then, but this closet is so small. Like when I did have a husband years ago, like he couldn't even put stuff in the closet because there just wasn't any room. But anyhow, so I decided that I was going to clean it out, and I said, you know, maybe I'll bring some of the stuff to the boutique in town. And then I ended up sending my closet to 3 different YouTubers for them to rate, and it turned out really, really well. We even did some giveaways, which I'm going to be announcing winners for, so I'm super excited to do that. I've been holding this in for a while now. We have a new puppy, a new addition to the family, so life has been crazy. Puppy life is mom life. And then, you know, it is what it is. You gotta train them and teach them and all that fun stuff. And my older dog's been having some health issues, so it's been kind of crazy around here. But I absolutely loved doing this video. I changed my style. So I have a lot of outfits that I'm going to be showing you guys that are really casual. You know, it's just some lounge shorts, some tie-dye t-shirts. I had gotten new sandals and a new pair of sneakers, you know, different things like that. And the older outfits within the last 3 years, the ones that I had sent out, they were very dressy. You know, there was a few casual items in there. And Amanda got most of the casual items because that was more her speed. I tried to look at my closet and say, okay, Becca would look good in this, Renee would look good in this, and Amber would look good in this. Or Amanda. I can't get anything straight lately, and that's because my life's been chaotic and I haven't had enough coffee. You might hear Kayla in the background. Guys, she is my 13, almost 14-year-old special needs child, and every now and then she is autistic. You will hear sounds and stuff. She's with my mom right now, or she has a nurse during the week. But if you hear her, it's not like I can go to her and say, shh, be quiet, I'm doing a video. Just to let you know. So if you hear her in the background, I hope that you're okay with that. Okay, so the outfits that I had gotten, and I'll throw a few in here, they could have done whatever they wanted with these clothes. They could have held a bonfire if they wanted to. But they actually enjoyed them, and the clothes looked great on them. So I'm super happy about that. So now it's time to tell you the winners of the giveaway for those of you that have participated in this. I'm super excited, and to show you my new wardrobe. I did spend like $300, but I didn't get a whole lot. And then towards like, I was happy to do this though because my closet's not overflowing anymore. But the last year or so, being a full-time mom, I mean, I've always been a full-time mom, but having multiple jobs and working from home, I'm casual. I rarely go anywhere anymore, to be honest with you, except for the grocery store, you know, church, or that's just it. So most of the time I'm dressing down, but the other day I was like, oh my gosh, all of my clothes are so like leggings, hoodies, or lounge shorts, jean shorts, you know, and tank tops and tie-dyes and whatever, that I was missing kind of dressing up. So I bought a more of a dressy outfit just because I wanted to, you know, and I'll show you that. It's actually what I'm wearing now. I'll show you that towards the end of the video. But yeah, so Jackson just got a new phone, and he's 8. I mean, it's his first phone. I got him a smartphone, just a regular smartphone. And I don't mind that he texts me and calls me and whatever. You know, that's what it's for. He's learning how to use it. But he's like, you might want to hang on to your phone. I'm going to text you soon. It just cracks me up. It's pretty adorable. Ma, have you checked your texts? There's one from me. That kind of thing. Alright, so anyway, let's get through the outfits that I now have and some of the outfits that I used to have, and you guys can tell me what you think, especially if you're new. I totally want to know your name. Let me know you down in the comments below. I'd love to talk with you there. And the giveaways. I had bought 2 Morphe palettes to do giveaways with, and it is the Jaclyn Hill times Morphe Divine Neutrals palette. I got 2 of them, and there's one giveaway on one of my videos and there was on for Renee's video, because I had asked you guys to help me out back in December to get her to 1K subscribers by Christmas, and she did. It was so exciting. And then we celebrated with this collaboration and doing a giveaway. She did her giveaway already on her channel, and I told her I would do one as well. So on her closet video is where I have drawn the winner from, and I do hope that you guys enjoyed doing this with us. I really enjoyed it. I'm going to be perfectly honest with you. This was so much fun to me. I love doing new things on my channel, different things. And this here was like, I don't do a whole lot of fashion, so I was like, oh, I really enjoyed it, and I think that it turned out really well. I really do want to know what you guys think. Definitely down in the comments, and I do appreciate you so much taking the time to watch this video. I do have to share with you, most of the clothes that I bought fit really, really well. I am 5'6", and I range between 113 and 117 pounds. I go back and forth a little bit. I do work out a little bit when I can. Lately it's been absolutely crazy. But so these outfits that I'm wearing, they're small or extra small for most part. Some of them, you know, every now and then it'll be a medium. It just depends, because I have like a medium-sized frame and a small body, if that makes sense. But that's me. It's like the inverted triangle. Like, that's my shape, you know. I've got shoulders, and then it's, you know, and that's that. But anyhow, so my favorite outfit, I think, would be the one I wore in my 2017 photo shoot. Let me put that on the screen. I absolutely had blonde hair, which it totally ruined my hair to have blonde hair for 9 months. I want you to know that. And it's still getting back to the way that it used to be. So it's been absolutely crazy trying to grow my hair back and get it thicker and all that. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, so I sent this shirt to Amanda, and I absolutely loved it, but I thought she would look great in it. And then here, this outfit with the pink and my Vans, I loved it. Those shorts though, I sent to Renee. And then I have this dress I sent to Becca. I did a little mini photo shoot in my front yard. And then these dresses, I tried to evenly divide everything up. These shirts, oh, this is, I absolutely loved this dress. It's one of those where you look at it and it's frilly and you don't think it's going to look good on you until you put it on, and then you're like, I'm liking this. And then that pink dress, you can only see so much of it here, but that's me with my blonde hair. And then this shirt here, I absolutely loved. It was so nice and comfortable, but I used to dress up all the time, and I'm so not into doing that very much anymore. But I did have to get one outfit that I thought would look good, and just because I like getting dressed up. The sucky part is I can't really wear heels anymore either, which sucks because I have arthritis in my foot. But then here's a couple of the cute outfits. I really like the leggings, and I like the short shirts here. I'm not really sure why I got back into that. I haven't really been into that in a long time. And here with my lounge shorts, and then I got some of these things sent to me to review, so they're in here. This dress I wore a couple times and I loved it. But here's the casualness, and this one shirt I had gotten. I don't wear it really though. It was in one of the Jeffree Star mystery boxes. But I just changed my wardrobe completely, and this is just a sneak peek of everything. If you guys want me to continue to do fashion shows, or if you want me to continue to collaborate with other YouTubers and doing stuff like this, let me know. All right, now it's time to take a look at the winners, and I'll see you guys in just a minute.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
It's so exciting choosing winners and being able to send them something. I feel so blessed that I'm able to do that. So over on Renee's video, Linda Myers won, and I love her so much. She is so sweet, so beautiful, so friendly, just an amazing person. And get in touch with me, Linda. I'm pretty sure I already have your address. But the newbie that was on my channel, Ms. Ruth, congratulations! You have won the Morphe Divine Neutrals palette by Jaclyn Hill, both of you. So I will definitely comment on your comment and let you know that you've won. But go ahead and if you see this, get in touch with me. I'll put my email down in the description box or in the comment section on a pinned comment. And you've got 48 hours to get back to me. You know, I don't usually draw other winners if I don't feel like I'm gonna get in touch with you, I will, but you know, after 48 hours, but for the most time I don't. So I need to give you time. I'm going to go ahead and post this over my community tab as well, but not everybody sees that depending upon which device you have. So dog life. Thank you for taking the time to watch all of these videos and for getting to know these ladies and for checking out our channels and subscribing to us. It is truly a pleasure to get to know every single one of you. I enjoy that more than you could possibly imagine. Thank you for everything. I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you guys real soon in another video.